Alright, de vuelta. Mi gatito. Okay, I'm sorry. Spanish. Alright, so here we are again. So, um, the generation of ideas is already configured the API key. Um, so I ask Bolt to complete a few things like all the GPT prompt to generate the ideas for the hackathon. So please generate a comprehensive hackathon project idea that includes project title, description, target audience, impact statement, um, also brief overview how it will be built, the technical side, 3 to 5 main features, rate to 1 to 10, how technically challenging this is, also the evaluation criteria that will be used by the judge. Of course, this is not the same, this is my idea. Requirements, for example, must meaningfully integrate the specific tools like Revenue Cat, etc. So ChatGPT will respond with this. I want to add a new thing that is the prompt, because the idea of this micro web application is to generate ideas, to generate bold ideas. So I'm asking, please add a new field called prompt. Also complete this field. The idea with this field is to generate a prompt that will be used later manually by the user. Later by the user. The user will be allowed copy this prompt completely very final complex tool. They will be allowed to copy this prompt completely ready final complex tool, paste it into BoltNew and create an product web. Yes, I would like to add support to, for example, website. Yes, actually. Okay, so Bolt. What happened? Let's put some Spanish music. Ayer te vi cantar este son, era así, ya me olvidaste. Sorry. Okay, it's great and it's updating. It's difficult to me code streaming because I always have music or the iPad looking anime or something. So okay, it is updating idea card. Muy sincero, eres todo lo que quiero. No es mentir, amor. Tú a mi lado eres Come on, because I have some ideas for this week. Very interesting idea. Um, I have really good one actually. I can say right now. I need to complete this, then I can jump to new ideas. But yeah. Mami, tú eres arte. Okay. Oh, sí. Uh-huh. Okay, prom looks interesting. I mean, I'm not fully. Um, I'm feeling this is not looking like a prompt, but okay, it's okay. First approach. Okay, so I want to add like I mean, the general idea is looking pretty well, but we are missing one thing. For example, where you can in the past was only supporting mobile, iOS and Android, but now supports web. So that's an exception, but there are some cases when honestly Expo is just the case. Well, Expo supports as well web. Hmm. But let's say because I have, as you know, we have myserenified.com, which is a meditation application, and I was expecting to create on this hackathon a micro app for this platform, which is I wanna I don't want to say it right now because I want to build it. So I want to add a field called platform. In generate new idea, let's add support to select platform. Or yeah, I have been trying to use like the same Bolt project to compile web and mobile, also API, and it won't well. So I prefer to have separated that for now. So the new field will be just one single option, not like a multiple option. I support to select platform like web, app, API, API. Sorry. Okay, let's keep it like this. I mean, I don't feel very comfortable having this. I feels like could limit myself or offer. I'm gonna offer. Oh, okay. No. This field is not mandatory. Only pass or use it if selected. Cero sentimientos. Pues yo no sé quién me está viendo, pero hello. Porque a fuego lento que me sé todo en mi interior. Me acompaña la soledad que abraza. Esa que escuchamos en la primera cita. Esta me gusta. Sorry, I just changed to Spanish. Apologize. I was in the store and was like, thank you. I say like, thank you. Um, you know, gracias en español, en Spanish, gracias. Por un beso de tus ojos seré dueño. So guys, You know, I talk too much, honestly. But sometimes I don't talk at all. Okay, it's compiling. Okay, it already update. Oh, nice, nice. Optional, cool. Look, this so fancy, so nice stuff we have here. So, very nice. I really love Bolt. I mean, I used to code so many things by so many years on the past, everything from scratch. I used to be a framework developer, so I was into creating always boilerplates to increase speed. But with AI, you can literally build anything from scratch in record time. I'm gonna show you how many applications we are going to build. Uh, all the money of the prize, if we win the prize, what is going to be used for my new startup called Brand Virality. Brand Virality allows you to publish 5 to 10 videos per day automatically, autopilot. It will generate content, text, images, podcasts, videos, reels, TikTok, everything automatically. We will be querying your data for your business, putting everything together into a database, and then we are going to publish based on this. So it's very pragmatic process. Okay, let's see what happens. Sometimes for some reason the platform gets very slowly, but I believe I'm start believing this in my computer. Okay. Whew. So category make more money challenge, revenue cat. Right now I'm gonna add some context. I want an application. I want to build something related to for social networks. Let's see what happens. Generate idea. Sorry for the typo. Okay, there is failing. For some reason, it's returning 200. On development, we should be returning. On development, we should be returning the real error. So right now, I am going to the function looking for logs. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, I'm gonna switch 1 second because I need to add um, the OpenAI key to my function environment. James Wine. Okay, ready. Let's try again. Make more money challenge, web application. Let's select revenue cat, Sentry, Expo. For now, I want to build related to social networks like Twitter. Looks like working. If it's taking that time, it means that it's still processing, is working. Amazing. So let's see. 285. The social subscription network is a unique social networking platform that combines microblogging, community engagement, blah blah blah. Creators can offer exclusive posts, live QS, personalized interactions. Using Revenue Cat, Tweetify allows creators to easily manage subscriptions and paywalls. Hmm, interesting. So I wanna continue, save and continue, and copy prompt. Just let me paste here. Okay, I guess we need to. Mm, I don't know if so many things like implement state management. Uh, of course, all of this is good, but not sure how how. Mm, yeah, not sure how much complexity could add to the bolt, but we have to try, so that's okay. There are so many things I'm not really happy with this, but that's okay. Maybe I can share this to my team and they can improve. We already have a base. So, okay, I'm happy. This is a good result. Okay, um, for some reason, the layout here is not like something that I really like. Okay, I need to. I'm gonna ask Paul to change the layout. The layout can generate ideas or browse ideas. It's not very likely to me for some reason. I feel so many data, and the layout looks awkward. I don't know because there's something that I don't like. Let's see what happens. Believe we can use the headphones. No, no, not here. is back. Thank you. Sorry. Um, okay, so let's continue. We have had. Okay. There's something I really don't like about this interface. I want to see the full idea at first glance. No, no. Okay, I'm gonna keep this like this because I need to move forward. Um, okay. I think already. I'm thinking what else we're missing. See, this is a very common issue that for some reason always happen. For example, we had this as a selector and now it is a really different component. Surprise me. That's a new a new label as well. General idea. Okay. Project 901 leverage algorithm blockchain to create decentralized identity verification service that allows users to manage their digital identities securely by creating entry while integrating with entry to acquire a custom IS domain. They have with host RESTful API that developers can access to validate user identities in real time. Cryptographic proofs, yes. Hmm, interesting. But I think the try again. It's not okay. It's working. Mm, okay, interesting. Because as I select algorithm, it's showing me only ideas related to crypto. So this is I'm gonna click on save. Let's see. I want to allow people to publish their own products created on these ideas. So allow users to add. Let me see. Let me think. I want to allow the users to showcase their product on the platform. So I am the user, I have the dashboard, I have my ideas, but I work on the idea, I complete the idea. So what's next? Showcase the idea. Yes. Allow the users to add a link to a specific idea. So people can take a look. So other users can take a look to it. Links must be added to already existing ideas. Show only top top 10 links. Not latest. Show only latest 10 links. I want to make this more complex. I want to allow the users to click on a card and open a different page with the specific data. Yes, I really like that idea actually. Good idea. I'll be writing down the instructions. We still have for almost 5 million tokens remaining. Que no supera without. Okay, same. Um, we accept the migration with the new changes. Oh, this okay. I don't know what happened. Okay, browse ideas, copy. Okay, it's not that bad. If for some reason, okay. Um, let me see. Looks like we have a new function. add idea link. Okay, no, sorry, it's not that one. I don't think so. Let's get idea links. Logs. Okay, let's copy paste to Bolt so it can fix error in get links function. Okay, we need to allow the user to add links as well in the dashboard. Actually, refactor to allow only to add links, one link per idea, per user. So an idea can only have one link per user and max show 10. I wonder if there is a way to open Bolt with a specific prompt, like open this link and it will open automatically the idea. That may be, we will take a look later. Oh my god, it's really late. It's another game. Patch. Okay. Let's try to add a link. XD. ASD. Okay, we'll replace existing link. That's okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask to Bolt to reuse the same card. Use the same card in browse ideas in the dashboard. I want to use the same card component. I'm trying to be very repetitive because from my understanding and my experience, it will make Bolt to understand really deeply that I'm literally asking to reuse the same component. Click on me. Okay, that's right. You see what happened. Um, no, come on, too slow. I asked to use the same component and it's not using the same component. I told you guys. So literally I have to say I ask you to use the same component. Current component is not the same. It's missing links, copy, and favorite. The, let's put some programming music. You have anything I can put it. Not this one. Hacking music. Okay, the dashboard now use the exact same idea card component with all the features. Please, okay, yes. Okay, excellent. Hmm. Awesome. So we have the generator ideas, we have table, we have grids, layout, we have a summary, we have a way to browse ideas from other people, filters, and so etc. We have a way to add links, copy the prompt, add as a favorite, and also rate the component. Cool. Also, we have favorites and a way to remove it. So what's next?
Nothing. It's ready. This is awesome because it's really ready. Um. hmm I'm thinking. Sorry if it take too much to speak, but I'm thinking. Let's log out to see how it works. Browse ideas. Mm-hmm. Cool. Oh, sorry. Oh no. Okay. Let's create an idea. Make more money challenge. Okay, ready. Okay, we need to add. We need to add a batch. Let's copy. Let's add instructions. Just copy paste. That's how this works. Let's see because I guess here we have. Let me think. Hmm. Okay. Let me download this. Mm-hmm. This and this. So let me go one moment to this. I need to jump into another account to upload the images. Media library. I'm sorry, I keep talking, but this is separate. Um, 1 second. Ah, okay. Almost. I Okay, ready. So, please this as a component. Oh, I don't know. This is, please use this as a component. I'm sorry. I think it, okay, let me check because sometimes it creates the component but not the implementation. Oh, great. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so. Let me check it. Um, Let me see what's next. I'm not sure. Um, Stairs. Cool. Okay, I think this is not relevant, honestly. So I'm gonna end the streaming here. I'm gonna deploy. This is gonna be ready for tomorrow. I will connect this with a Netlify, and the process is very simple. I think I'm gonna show you a little bit about Netlify and how what's the purpose of Netlify on this using this platform. That's very good starting point. But basically, you can add domain, you can add continuous integration and deployment. You can connect GitHub to automatically deploy as well. Actually, Netlify even have their own system of functions, but we don't want to mix functions from Netlify with Supabase. I have done that before, and trust me, it is a really nightmare. I want to wait. Okay, let me show you code terminal. Okay, it's not like showing it, but in the background, this is currently building the project, and then will be start deploying. Actually, already deployed. It is already built. It is currently deploying to Netlify. Meantime, I wanted to check if there is a way to load. If there is a way like hmm, I have, hmm. Okay, I see. Inspect. We have this. Hello. No, 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 no. Okay, there's something wrong with that, actually. Because it's not deploying, but it's very simple. Just click on deploy and we'll start with deploying. So let me reload. But I also want to, I'm trying to understand how to load data here. But I think he detects the URL as a GitHub. Let me see what we have different here. Okay, looks like all of, okay, no. Looks like, okay, I'm gonna take a look later. We have to end up this streaming. Um, hey, here is the project in papaya granita. Okay, site not found. Why? Deploy. We have a few integrations. I can click on, okay, right now it's working. But I can click on integration GitHub and I can automatically push all this code into GitHub. But okay, I think I'm done because I'm really dying. I need to sleep right now. So that's it. We just built one big application using Bolt, using a little from ChatGPT just to create the idea. And then with a few comments, actually, we just spent like maybe 5 million tokens only to create this website. So tomorrow I will be publishing the link into Twitter so anyone can use it. And also we will be publishing this into the the hackathon itself. I think it's the post. Yes. So okay. Thank you very much. I hope this work as an inspiration. Um, bye bye.